Yes, it's what you've been waiting on. Them. It's me, oh Lord, standing in the need of prayer.
So you're going to take a piece of something that's thick. This is cowhide. So this is the visual of, you're going to make it as long as you want to. Mine's, I'm just creating it long enough that it flaps over. So I tried to trace it. Now we're just cutting our outline. Now we have 2 of them. Now what we're going to do is sew them to our tongue. So we're going to, this is it.
So much construction going on up here. Like I went to football.